our Kawasaki Ridge HVAC mirror kit. Perfect line of sight on the left side and the right side. What I like about this mirror kit is you can actually see your rear tire when you're backing up, which is nice. Also, this is a fold-in, fold-out mirror. It's real glass, not plastic. It comes with a lifetime warranty. You break anything, we send the parts to fix it. Installation is super easy. You remove all these bolts on the upper part, as well as the two rivets, front and back. You will drill one hole in the outer plastic part here. A bolt will go through. On this part here, there will be a rubber washer that connects between the mirror and the plastic. Tighten everything up and you're good to go. And best of all, it doesn't stick out like a sore thumb. Any questions, give us a call, 815-321-3888, or send us an email to the ATV Superstore at gmail.com. Have a great day.